Hi, this is Anneli from Sussex Coast. Today we are making my December journal because the November one is well and truly full. To save myself some time, I gave myself two options only. I'm going to make the exact same size and shape because that's worked really well for me. Fits in your pocket and is great. Okay, so I'm either going to use the same fabric as here. This is just rust and coffee dyed. I'm not going to go with the full green and red combo because it's not my cup of tea, although I do like it when other people do it. I just want something different. So it's either this or this, and I was like, oh, is this too bright? I kind of like it. I'm leaning towards this one. And then, of course, some burlap accents anyway. I'm going to use the same structure as here. So paper bag between two layers of fabric. This is just nature and rust dyed bed sheet. But I thought because it's a Christmas journal or like a December journal, I'll make it slightly more fancy. So I have these really nice luxury shirt fabrics from the 80s and 90s. You know, these are original vintage Liberty, and I never allow myself to use them. So I thought I would use one of these maybe in the inside because that goes quite nicely. I'm going to make the cover quite plain because then I can decorate it however I want later. So I'll make a decision. So as I was going through all of these beauties, and this is a sort of a plainer one, then I also found this, and now I don't know, I kind of want this on the outside, and it's just complicated. Then I found some jeans as well, so maybe I will make more than one cover and then choose. And then all you need is just a paper bag, and that's your journal. I'm not going to make you watch me agonize over the decision, so I will be back once I've made some decisions. First, I need to make myself a template so that I know how much fabric I need. So I'm going to use roughly the same size as this journal because it worked quite nicely. This is an A4 or standard copy paper, folded in half and then in half again for the signatures. So it's perfect for a lazy person. You don't have to measure a lot. Look at this perfection. Very nice. Okay, I'll make it slightly bigger because it was protruding last time. Odysseus. I've been listening to the Odyssey on Audible. It's a new translation translated by a woman. She has actually been faithful to the rhyme and rhythm of the original text, and she has also made the imagery more relevant to a modern listener. Absolutely brilliant. And it's read by Claire Danes, who played Juliet in the 1996 Baz Luhrmann version. Oh, it's amazing. Check it out. might as well do 2. Oh look, this is turning into a mass making session. There are worse things that could happen. Oh, this bit says your lovely new things are here, so I'm going to salvage that as well. So we've got 4 templates out of 1 bag. I'll do the same with the inner fabric and then I'll be back. Now we have several different fabrics ready for our covers. These ones, one of jeans, a couple of these, one of these. I love this one, all the hedgerows, and we have the owls. And then I get to decide what goes where. The next part is very easy. Here I didn't even machine stitch. I hand stitched for the fun of it. I'll see, I think I'll machine stitch today. I am going to very loosely attach the fabric to the paper bag because it is not going to go anywhere. Been sewn, the signatures are in. I separate, obviously. Sometimes I do like crazy stitching. Okay, I know I want to use one of these. Is it see-through? Are we going to see the writing? Maybe. Let's choose a thicker fabric. So you put your fabric on, so you put the wrong side onto the glue side so that the right side is on the outside. It seems logical, but trust me, mistakes can happen. Okay. Right. Okay, I don't know, what do I want to do with this? I don't think I want it. If I leave it, what function? Nah. Okay, I'm turning this inside out simply because I don't want to see the writing. Although this being a junk journal, if you prefer to see the writing, then obviously don't bother with this. Also, my seam allowance is way too big here. Let's do some touch. Let's see if it's done. Check twice, cut once. Where I'm from, the saying is check 9 times, cut once. It refers to the generational poverty people have endured. Making me very happy. This is really relaxing. So you can put on a podcast or listen to music or watch a YouTube video and just glue on paper. No thinking, no cognitive effort required at all. flowery breeze. It's not particularly wintry, but these kind of let's look. Let's do a test first. We're just going to do ordinary running stitch. Okie dokie, wish me luck. I'm going to do a slightly zigzaggy line, and I'm going to do it twice so it looks deliberately artsy. There we go. This was so effortless. Also, for future reference, maybe don't start the very top of your front page. It is okay. And then we can make it more raggedy if we want. I like it raggedy. If you don't, then obviously you need to take that into consideration. And then now we can embellish it however we like, you know, because this one I just kept adding things as November continued. Some of these things I had something else on here entirely and they fell off, so I added these as the month developed onwards. So maybe we'll start somewhere inconspicuous, like the bottom of your cover. So, you know, for lower stakes. Oh, I really like this actually. The more wiggly, I like the accidental excessive wiggliness actually. Oh, love it, Love it. I love the way this blue is picking up the blue I hadn't even noticed before. Yes. Okay. I don't know who's going to make the decision. Excellent. I have had fun. I hope you have as well. I think we'll do paper selection later. Okay.